Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can solve this issue of Apache shutdown unexpectedly. So it is an issue with the port. So this means that these ports are being used by another application in your computer. So first of all, to solve this, let's do the configuration settings. So click on the config button and click on the Apache http.config file. So then after that, let's change the listening ports. So search for press Control F to search for listen, and so this is down. Change this to direction down, and then find. Okay, so just find, and here. So this one here. So let's change this to 80. So this port is not being used by any other application. So change it to 8080 and then find next. So we are going to find server name. So let's change that to server name. So let's find. So click, and then there it is. So change this to 8080 as well. So once you're done, so go to file and save. Then you close that. Then next we want to click on that again and click the second configuration file, http-ssl.conf. So click on that. Here again we are going to change the ports. So first of all, again search for listen, press Control F to view listen and find. So this is the port. So I'll change this to 442, and then I'll now search for virtual host, then click find. Then I'll again change this to 442. Now after making the changes, I go to my file and save. So once you've saved that, so just close everything, and you can start your application now. So the Apache is now running. You can also start MySQL, which will be also running as well. So that's how we solve it, and thank you.